What's up, guys? Foxwolf here, and today I'm live at anything that I could ever be involved in race cars. Today, guys, they actually have a car show inside a mall here, and after having my hands really frostbite after going through some place that I actually was invading, not knowing someone was occupying it, which we'll see that in some time until this fall, so you'll see the footage. I'm actually going to vlog around and take a look at the cars that are inside because I love going to places and events like this, and I want to get inside before my hands get frostbite again. It's going to be interesting. Thank goodness I'm actually parked near an area that's actually pretty interesting. And I just realized something. I'm wearing my left hand glove the wrong way. It doesn't matter. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa! Damn. Whoa! If I could call out that number, I can almost actually get a big day to be in NASCAR. Technically, this is a drag car, so it won't matter. That's a mini car. Not my specialty. April the 5th. Not into that, but whoever wants to go. Oh, don't mind if I do. What if they have a NASCAR vehicle? Hope they have a NASCAR vehicle somewheres. Whoa. How are you doing? This is just an ugly bastard. Wanted young blood. Wait a minute. That's just an ugly bastard. Just an ugly bastard. Just oh man. Oh boy. Dude, they have Hoosier tires on this? Dude, I didn't know Hoosier tires was still a thing, actually. Jesus, I didn't know Hoosier tires were still involved in racing. Even though F cannabis, but still. Whoa. Whoa. Sekio pass gas. Head-handed is. Whoa. Now these cars are awesome, but dude, why don't they have a race car or something? Huh. Whoa. Whoa. Main mud schedule. What the heck?
Oh, are we really only down to one left?
Oh, sure.
Take a picture, Jay.
Yeah.
Scott.
Whoa.
We're only down to one sheet left. Everybody else is taking them. Do you have any extras?
Mud racing?
I got a new mattress.
Whoa.
I think it's a queen mattress. I think it's a queen.
What type of racing they got this from? Do you race these things? Maybe. Dude, I'm actually looking at they have NASCAR vehicles, but it sounds like they don't have any NASCAR vehicles. Maybe they do have on the other side. Whoa. Whoa. Dude, I'm recording all this stuff as best I can, just to see if I could find a person that can actually help me get through this. To see if I can actually get a race car or something in the future. So I'm trying my best to get a race car or something. Or even race in short track, or even go to Oxford Plains if any of these people actually go. Whoa. Not a fan of Pontiac, but it's better than nothing. Whoa. Dang. We still have Hoosier tires. Sheesh. Maybe I'm forgetting something. Nothing much there. It's just a drag car. Okay, sounds like all these vehicles are just drag cars, which I'm not really into drag racing, so. Like, I'm not into drag racing. I'm just into NASCAR, so I'm trying to find NASCARs or something.
If you were looking for the actual racing car show, that was last week.
Last week?
Last week or like 2 weeks ago.
And all the people are gone?
Yeah.
Okay.
They swap them out. They have the car show and then they have the drag car show.
Oh, great. Oh, that's great. Oh,
Now they're getting ready to have.
can't say much about that. Not much of a vehicle for me. Still, Hoosier tires. Oh. So just drag vehicles. Oh no, not a fan of drag racing, but no one's perfect. GT 350. Do love Camaros. Let's say. I can't. Huh. Oh. I'm assuming these are also snowmobiles. Huh. I can't say much about that. Surprising. So they also drag race these as well, surprisingly. Now this one's kind of cool, but I kind of like this one better.
I don't want to walk in today, so.
Yeah. So guys, if these are just all the stuff they have, I'm just gonna end the video here if that's all they got, because this is just a waste of time. It's fun to look at, but this is just a waste of time. So I'll just end this video because this is not what I was looking for.
I think you know a guy anyway. I heard you guys.
Huh.
Bye, Dad.
Where's this track from? Yeah. All right. It's too bad these people that work in here don't really know about nothing about NASCAR, so this was a waste of time. Fun to look at, but well, at least it was worth looking at for the fun of it, but this isn't my stuff I'm like to. I guess I'll just end the video here and go.